Smart home tech is getting smarter, more intuitive, and easier to use. From voice-controlled assistants and advanced security systems to energy-saving devices and connected appliances, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive into the best smart home technologies and see how they're transforming our daily lives. Amazon Echo Show 10. Let's start with a device that redefines smart home convenience, the Amazon Echo Show 10. This isn't just a smart display, it's your all-in-one hub for entertainment, security, and home management. The 10-inch HD smart display provides crisp visuals, perfect for streaming shows, making video calls, or following step-by-step recipes in the kitchen. But what sets this model apart is its motion capability. The screen actually moves to follow you as you walk around the room. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or multitasking, Alexa is always within view. With premium sound quality, it doubles as a fantastic speaker for music, audiobooks, or podcasts, filling your space with rich audio. Plus, Alexa's integration means you can control your smart home devices, ask questions, or set reminders, all hands-free. One of its standout features is its ability to act as a security camera. Use the Alexa app to remotely pan around your home and check in when you're away. It's perfect for staying connected with your space, even when you're not there. The Amazon Echo Show 10 is a brilliant combination of functionality and futuristic design. It's more than a gadget. It's the centerpiece of a smart, connected home. Degrii Smart Thermostat. Up next is a gadget that makes managing your home's climate a breeze, the Degrii Smart Thermostat. If you're looking for comfort, convenience, and energy savings, this device has you covered. With app control, you can adjust your home's temperature from anywhere, ensuring it's just the way you like it when you walk through the door. The multi-schedule programming feature lets you set customized heating or cooling schedules for different times of the day, tailoring it perfectly to your routine. One of its coolest features is geofencing. The thermostat senses when you're approaching or leaving your home and adjusts the temperature automatically. It's perfect for saving energy without sacrificing comfort. Plus, the DIY-friendly setup makes installation straightforward, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. As a programmable Wi-Fi thermostat, it's compatible with most HVAC systems and integrates seamlessly into your smart home. Whether you're trying to cut down on energy bills or want personalized climate control, the Degrii Smart Thermostat has the functionality you need. Ring Battery Doorbell. Plus, let's talk about a smart home essential for security and convenience, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. This latest model takes video doorbells to the next level with some impressive features. First, you get head-to-toe HD plus video, which means you'll see everything, from packages on the ground to the person at your door, with crystal-clear clarity. The motion detection is incredibly advanced, sending instant alerts to your phone whenever someone approaches your door. It's perfect for staying aware, whether you're at home or on the go. The two-way talk feature lets you communicate with visitors directly from your smartphone or smart device. Say hello to guests, give delivery drivers instructions, or deter potential intruders with ease. Since it's battery-powered, installation is simple and you don't need existing doorbell wiring. Plus, the sleek design blends seamlessly with any home's exterior. SMONET. Next on our list is a game-changer for home security, the SMONET Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock. If you're ready to ditch traditional keys and embrace convenience and security, this biometric digital lock is for you. The fingerprint electronic deadbolt ensures quick and secure access, unlocking your door in seconds with just a touch. Its touchscreen keypad allows you to set unique passcodes for family, friends, or guests, making it perfect for homes, Airbnb properties, or hotels. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can control the lock remotely via your smartphone, granting or revoking access with ease. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to lock or unlock doors with voice commands for hands-free control. Its smart deadbolt design not only enhances security, but also offers flexibility, letting you manage access from anywhere. Whether you're expecting a delivery or hosting guests, this lock keeps you in control. GHome Smart. Let's talk about a simple but incredibly useful addition to your smart home, the GHome Smart Plug. This compact device is perfect for turning everyday appliances into smart devices, giving you more control and convenience. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, you can control your devices hands-free using voice commands. Imagine saying, "Alexa, turn off the lamp," and it's done. No need to get up or reach for a switch. The remote control feature allows you to manage your devices from anywhere via the app, whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation. Its timer function is a game changer for scheduling lights, fans, or even coffee makers, ensuring everything runs on your time. Operating on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it doesn't require a hub, making setup quick and easy. Plus, with ETL and FCC certifications, it meets safety standards for worry-free use. Its sleek white design blends into any space without looking out of place. Which of these smart devices caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and if you already use one, we'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in tech and smart home trends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.